thinking I'm probably gonna put a shed right here. And so what I want to see.
I dreamt that you were here last night, when tighter closed this dreamer's eyes. Distances can fold in this faulty mind. It's so full of lies where two lovers can collide. Whoa, and all the still frames on the walls can't bring myself to take them down. And
Prepare for the trim job walk around. Finally got all the trim painted. So I'm gonna walk around, look at it. I only made a few little mistakes. Nothing too major, but barn looks really good. I'm proud of the barn, and the mistakes I'm talking about are things like up there you can see I painted on the drip edge a little bit here and there, but overall it looks great. I doubled up the coat, made a mistake up there in the corner, but probably will hardly get noticed. So, trim job's done.